This is what a guy who's 72 years old does at 10:30 at night. What I do is I have so much freaking energy because I eat mostly fruit that I gotta burn it off. So I already boxed. So you know what I mean? We're gonna need about 10 rounds of this. 1, 2. Swing! Then, after I rock climb, after I box, you know what I do then? Guess what I do then?
What do you do then?
Guess what I do then? Here, ready? This is my rock climbing room. This is my rock climbing room. And these are mats. The reason why they're mats is because in case I fall. When you fall, you just get back up again. This is not really easy because the rocks are maybe 1 inch. So that's what you do. You can climb around.
Oh, look at those back muscles.
Yeah. Climb around. Climb around. Climb around. It's the hard part. 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 I don't did too long. Anyway, that's right. That's part. I did that maybe 2-3 times. And then I go to my next routine. Keep in mind, 10, 15. I don't do all of them. I know maybe do about 3 or 4. What's stopping this? Huh. There you go. I love doing this. I do a double stretch, which means I have a stretcher. I have a double stretcher. You know what it means? A double stretcher. I put these around my legs. Keep in mind, at 72 years old, I think, what can I do to get stronger? You know what it means? At 72 years old, what can I do to get stronger? So I just started incorporating this maybe about a week ago.
Boom.
I don't know what happened, but today, was the first time in 19 years.
19 years.
First time in 19 years that I generally say if I can't run up 2 steps at a time, time for me to retire. Generally, I run up steps 2 at a time. Today, first time in 19 years, I did 3 steps at a time. Boggled my mind. So when I do the exercises, I generally do this. I hold them in place. So I get a double stretch. Okay? I hold it for 1 minute, I puff here. That's my housemate laughing at me. He's 42 years old, I'm 72, and he can't keep up with me. So I do that 10 times. And then I go to my rebounding. Which means this is a whole routine, takes me about an hour and a half to do.
Hey man, if you got the motivation that this guy has at 40 or 50, you're going to the moon, man. You're beyond. Okay, we're talking 70s. And a level of motivation that's bordering on insanity.
72 years old, you know what I mean? And next I do this. My rebound is my rock. Every single day I try to rebound. Sometimes once, sometimes twice a day. I shoot for twice a day, but I don't always make it. Divide in 3 sections. For all those people who they always ask me how to rebound and tape, this is what I do. What I do is I do a double exercise. This, I run in place anywhere from 15 to 30 minutes. But while I'm running, guess what I do? I do this. Because my goal is at 72 years old to have a body of a 35-year-old.
Look at them pecs.
Maybe a 45-year-old.
Look at them pecs.
Maybe a 55-year-old, you mean? I'm saying to you that at 72 years old does not mean the end. That's all I'm saying to you. The key is mostly fruit and motivation. So this is what I do. I do the running in place. Then I do that for 15, 20 minutes. Then I jump up 200 times. As you can see, I shouldn't be wearing my shoes. They're hard. Should take them off. 200 times. These are rock climbing shoes. Actually, I wasn't too bad rock climbing, was I?
No, man, that's a good workout.
Yeah, you know, I really like rock climbing. It really builds up really fast. I don't do it as often as I should. Okay, so run place, do it at your own pace. You do 1 minute to 1 minute. Keep in mind, when I start at 45, I can only do 1 minute. Barely 1 minute. Now I'm up to 25, 30, 35, 45 minutes. 1 minute running. 1 minute running is 3 minutes worth of running outside. And there's it's not hard on your joints.
Wow, so you said what you say?
1 minute rebounding.
Wait, and you said what was that? 45 years old. What you could only do 1
I
minute.
started at 45 years old.
And that's when you started.
That's when I started. 45. So 45 years old, I had a heart attack. I was in a hospital, lying in a hospital, with both arms. My wife was holding my one hand. My daughter was holding my other hand. I said, what the heck am I doing here? I was in a hospital twice in 1 month. The second time, with a gown on, I told my wife, get me out of here. I don't belong here. I will figure out what to do. I would figure out what to do. You know what I mean? I will figure out what to do. At 45 years old, I was dying. At 72 years old, I'm rocking. I saw two young girls at the cashier, both from Giant. I said, how you doing? I said, rock and roll, living the dream, super excited. That's why I say it all the time. Rock and roll, living the dream, super excited. And that's what I do. Keep in mind, it's me, myself, and I. Remember that. Me, myself, and I don't depend on anybody for my happiness. Which means Tyler just walked in, but I was working out at least 45 minutes before he walked in. Okay, so we have running in place, and then I jump. I did that maybe about 200 times at the same time. What I do is almost like a football player. I do really like doing that. And then I do these. This is all part of the 200. And then do like crazy. Okay. Next, we'll do 200 jumps. Keep in mind, if you're just starting out, I'll go slow. Do not go fast. In my mind, this is the best exercise. There's nothing comes even close. Anybody has any major illness, I said get a rebounder. The reason being, it works on 3 levels. Acceleration up, deceleration down, gravitational pull down. That's 3 separate energies on a single plane. When that happens, all the waste that surrounds each cell gets flushed out. When that happens, you have something called your T cells. So killer cells, they'll go to any cancer cell that you have and destroy it. That means you don't need chemotherapy, you don't need surgery. The body knows what to do. I work with people with brain cancer, breast cancer, ovarian cancer. Everyone has a rebounder. And I do sell them. I also have my book on Amazon. I strongly suggest my book. Low Fat, Raw Vegan, best book out there. Next. So we got these 200 times. I do this 200 times. Next I do this 200 times. And next what I really like doing, after a good workout of that, boxing there, then I jump 200 times. This is the key. Jump 200 times. You know what that means? Jump 200 times where you try to touch your butt, and that's not easy.
Wow.
My friends said 10 and 20 a night. There's a watch over there. They said 10, 20 a night. My day started at 7 o'clock, worked 9 hours. You know what I did then? Guess what I did then? I went home and did gardening till 8:30 at night because I had to plant 14, 15, 12 kale, 13, 12, 6 cabbage, 6 kale, 1 strawberry bush. And I had to dig, shovel, boom, boom, boom. Then I went shopping. Then I came home at 9:30. 9:30, I get home by 9:30 so I can work out for an hour and a half. Next, I have time. Keep in mind, I do my sit-ups. I generally do about 600 sit-ups. I do 3 sets of 200. Keep in mind, this is me. At 45 years old, I couldn't do anything. Keep in mind, I have in my mind that I want to get better and better and better. The key, my friends, is fruit. Fruit is the key. Most of my diet is bananas, watermelon, dates, and avocado. My goal is to stop eating at 5:36. I won't eat again the next day to 10. That's almost 16 hours, no food, no water. So I do about 200 of these, 4 sets of 50. I do 200 this way. Then I do something called butt exercises. Butt exercise is really, it's a butt exercise, you jump on your butt. The thing is about butt.
We all really want to see this, Arnold.
The thing about butt is, saggy butt, saggy brain. Every part of your brain is in your butt. So when your butt starts to sag, you stop thinking, you don't think it's good. So I do about 900 of these.
Wait, what?
900. I do 150 twice, then I do 200 push-ups, then do 300, then 200 push-ups, then 300. Next, my friends, I shoot for twice a day. I do everything. I do my squats. I do 50 squats. Keep in mind, what I do is not the best, but you know, that's the way it is. I do 50 of these. Next, I knock off 200 push-ups. My push-ups are not the best. In fact, last time I did 200 push-ups, 10 people said to me, I counted 120. But that's okay. How many guys, 72 years old, would even attempt to do 120 push-ups after rock climbing, after boxing, after the rebound, after resistance training, after working 13 hours a day? How many people do it? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to probably knock off 50, right? I'm going to knock off 50 bad ones, and to make things straight, Tyler's going to count. Ready? 50 bad push-ups.
Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
It's actually kind of ripped.
His back muscles, man.
No, back muscles. That's his strong part of his physique.
Yeah, my back muscles are nothing.
That bad push-up.
That's 50.
You're at 0 right now.
Those bad push-ups are actually working out his whole back.
Yeah, so that's, I generally do this
That's why
morning.
he's so ripped.
I know, dude.
This morning I did 280 push-ups. And I did 280 this morning.
He does.
Next I do
That's
my
a back.
little things, and then I do planks. I do 5 sets of planks. And that's generally by 9 o'clock, 9:30 I'm leaving. But I like to do that sometimes. That's my upside down bar.
Let's see it.
This man's either in love with life or himself.
I love it myself.
A little bit of both, I guess.
I never have a bad day ever. This is a really neat contraption, by the way. This is for my boxing. I just got finished boxing. And this is where I do my, I did 200 sit-ups on this upside down, 40 handstand push-ups, and some holding strengths. Now, what I don't do, which I'm a little scared to do, I'm not scared, but I don't do it in front of everybody because I could fail. This is pretty easy. And there's my monkey bars, by the way. And there's my chin-up bar.
Wow.
I can knock off 10 or 15 right now. Should I do 10 or 15 right now?
Yeah.
I can do 10 or 15 right now. Keep in mind, they're all bad, but the thing is, that's the way it is.
Those are good. Yeah. Bang. Yeah. Killing the game. Dang. Yeah. Boom.
16. That's after 200 push-ups, boxing, resistance, rebounding, rock climbing. 72 years old. My goal is to be an inspiration for everyone, to show them they get rocking. We deal with pain all the time. No reason for pain. Anyway, this is my last set. I need someone to make a move. What I do in a day. Okay. Ups. This is what I do. I just do an upside down one real fast. And this is how I do my sit-ups. I do maybe about 200 of these. Hold it in place.
Dang.
There's another one. I don't want to do it. This is really hard. I don't know whether I can do this or not.
These things are hard.
Yeah, these are hard.
Taylor could never do
One.
that.
That's some gymnast stuff right there. Wow. Look at that. Boom. That's killing it right there. That's killing it.
That's pretty impressive.
That's pretty great.
That's it. That's the end of my story. Tyler volunteered to film with me. 72 years old, rock and roll, living a dream, super excited. Any questions? Bye.